guys, so today I'm going to tell you my favorite products for redness in skin, and if anybody can be an authority on that, it's me. My skin is always red, especially my neck. So actually what made me think of doing this video is the very first product I'm going to talk about, and that is the Isntree Comfortable Magnesium Toner. When I did this review about a week and a half ago, I was amazed just noticing applying it on my hands, how instantly one hand was much less red than the other. I don't know, neither of my hands look very red today, but just applying a small amount of this. And Heather left a comment, I need to start using this on my neck, and she's right, because my neck is always red, and now I've started to use this one, but this one just provides instant redness relief. And you can tell again, one hand is a lot less red than the other just after instantly applying it. So this one is amazing how fast it really helps with redness and irritation. It doesn't have a long ingredient list. We've got cucumber in here and then magnesium chloride, and it is an amazing product, and this really was just instant gratification how much it really helped my skin. So anyway, huge one, game changer. Okay, next up, best for soothing irritated skin, the Paula's Choice Repairing Serum from their Calm line. I really like their Calm line. I've used it for a long time, and now they kind of changed the packaging a little bit and changed the ingredients a little bit. But in here we've got Ceramides. Licorice is a great soothing ingredient. Beta-glucan, another great soothing ingredient. So I will link to this below at Amazon. It's sold and filled by Paula's Choice, and really lovely, great in terms of hydration. I love the Calm line. I'm noticing something. All these products are green packaging. I should have done this for St. Patrick's Day, but whatever. Anyway, okay. This one is great for disguising redness in skin, and that's the Peach Slices Redness Relief Color Correcting Moisturizer. It does have some good soothing ingredients in it, but it's just great for disguising skin instantly because it's kind of a tinted, it's got a tinted moisturizer. And when you smooth it into skin, it kind of has a neutralizing effect on it. So you can kind of see, it kind of ends up looking like a nice tinted, I wish this had sunscreen in it, I'm going to say, but it kind of ends up tinting your skin a little bit and evening it out. But it also has some good soothing ingredients. Allantoin, Panthenol, Centella, Mugwort. But it's just great for disguising redness. If you have some redness, I did a video testing this out, and a lot of people commented how amazed they were and how instantly it really helped disguise and camouflage the redness. And Dr. Jart has a product similar to it. But I like this one better because the Dr. Jart one is, jar package is, this one's better, in my opinion. I do like the Dr. Jart one, but this one's better, and it's much more affordable. Okay, one more Peach Slice product, their Redness Relief Azelaic Acid Serum. Their whole Redness Relief line is great. This one is great because it has azelaic acid in here, which is really great for redness and hyperpigmentation, as well as breakouts. Panthenol's in this, Allantoin, Mugwort. So this is a great long-term strategy product for treating redness. Some things like the Magnesium Toner are great for instant relief. This one's great for long-term, and azelaic acid is so wonderful for your skin. It's become in my top 3 favorite ingredients. And it took me a long time before I even got to the point where I wanted to try azelaic acid out. But now that I have, I'm sold. It's amazing. It's a miracle ingredient. Okay, next up, this one's great for treating redness as well as hyperpigmentation, because when I added this product into my routine, it was a total game changer. And I've been using this one now for quite some time. The Geek and Gorgeous A-Pad Serum. So this one uses azelaic acid derivative. So if you have very sensitive skin or have not used azelaic acid before, starting with the Potassium Azeloyl Diglycinate is a great way to work your way up, especially if you have very sensitive or reactive skin. This is how I kind of started acclimating my skin to get towards azelaic acid. It also contains allantoin. This stuff, I would say, within 2 months after adding it in my routine, I could tell the difference. And it was amazing, and it really helped, especially with my hyperpigmentation as well as my redness. My brother has rosacea. I think I have rosacea as well. But I gave this to him for Christmas, and I think it's working for him. So anyway, there we go. Worth checking out, and super affordable as well. And if you're checking out Geek and Gorgeous, check out their vitamin C serum. Their moisturizer great. Their cleanser's great. There's not a product you can go wrong with from them, in my opinion. Okay, so the next one is great for calming skin after treatments or procedures. I have a home laser thing I use. I use this immediately after using that to help soothe it and calm it. And that is the Ordinary Buffet Copper Peptide Serum. Copper peptides are a great soothing ingredient, and this also has several other peptides. It's got urea in here. It's great for anti-aging and a long-term health for your skin. But I really like using this after I use my laser at home, or I've got another, I don't know, not the New Face, not the Nebula, I think it's the Nebulift. It uses a different technology. So anytime I use that, I use this afterwards. I think it really helps calm my skin down, and also just great for anti-aging, and peptides are great for your skin. So can't go wrong with that. Okay, I got a couple more. So this one's great for redness, eczema, flakiness, dehydration, and that is the Murad Quick Relief Colloidal Oatmeal Treatment. This stuff is great. We've got colloidal oatmeal in here, which I think I spelt wrong on my sheet. But anyway, spell check didn't catch that. Allantoin's in here. We've got a couple different types of oat kernel, vitamin E. So if you have eczema, redness, rosacea, anything like that, this one's great. And it's super hydrating. They also have a moisturizer version, but I end up really liking this of those two a little bit more, just because it's super calming and soothing, and you can use it anywhere. You can use it on your face, body, patches, dry skin, wherever. And it's just really wonderful, and doesn't feel greasy or anything else like that. So I really love it. So, okay, worth checking out. Okay, couple more. We've got the Wish Trend Sarah Barrier Soothing Ampule, which I can't do. I finished it, sadly, or goodly. Not sadly, it's lovely. So this one's great for hydrating, anti-aging, and long-term issues with redness, rosacea, things like that. We've got Centella, copper peptides, ceramides, panthenol. It is really soothing and calming for skin, and it's a nice, affordable dupe for a lot of other more expensive products. So if you haven't checked this one out, I did a full review of it as well, so be sure to check that one out, but it's really nice. And then last but not least, this one's great for using with actives. So if you use retinoids or exfoliants or any other actives, this one's great for calming those down. The Claire's Midnight Blue Calming Cream. In here we've got chamomile, guazoline, centella, purslane, shea butter. I love this. The previous version of this had fragrance in it. They've changed it a couple of years ago, and now I'm sold. This is probably one of the products I go through the fastest out of anything because I love it so much. It's just so nice and calming, and it really does keep your skin hydrated. I love using it with my retinoids and my exfoliants, and I can't imagine a routine without it, to be honest. I just can't. And it's really affordable, and the bottle's 2 ounces, so it's pretty big. So, anyway, these are my favorites. And in the long run, I think using some of these together will help much more. But this toner has just really been a game changer for me as well. So, anyway, these are my favorites for redness, irritated skin, things like that. Interested hearing from you guys. If you have any favorites I didn't mention, leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys. And stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.